Welcome to MonsterVerse, the ultimate destination for motivation and life-changing content. In this video, we're going to delve into the secrets of personal transformation, helping you unleash your inner beast and become a muscular monster. Get ready to take notes and embark on an incredible journey of self-improvement. Step 1. Mindset shift. The first step towards transforming yourself into a muscular monster starts with a shift in mindset. Emphasize the importance of believing in your potential and adopting a growth mindset. Explain how this change in perspective will set the foundation for achieving your fitness goals. Step 2. Goal setting and planning. Effective goal setting is crucial when aiming for a muscular transformation. Discuss the importance of setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Guide viewers through the process of creating a personalized workout plan and nutrition strategy. Highlight the significance of tracking progress and making necessary adjustments along the way. Step 3. Nutrition and diet. Proper nutrition is key to building a muscular physique. Introduce the concept of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and emphasize their roles in muscle growth. Provide examples of nutrient-rich foods, meal prepping ideas, and the importance of maintaining a well-balanced diet. Discuss the importance of staying hydrated and incorporating supplements, if necessary. Step for effective workout routine. Explain the importance of adopting a well-structured workout routine. Detail different types of exercises, cardio, strength training, and HIIT, and their benefits for muscle growth. Outline a sample weekly workout plan, including resistance training, weightlifting techniques, and muscle group targeting. Encourage viewers to gradually increase intensity and incorporate progressive overload to continue muscle development. Step 5. Consistency and motivation. Consistency is key in achieving long-term results. Provide tips for staying motivated, such as finding an accountability partner, joining fitness communities, and celebrating small milestones. Remind viewers that setbacks are normal but can be overcome through perseverance and dedication. Congratulations! You now have the tools and knowledge to transform yourself into a muscular monster. Remember, this journey requires commitment, patience, and a steadfast desire for self-improvement. Stay motivated, stick to your plan, and watch as you evolve into the best version of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to MonsterVerse for more inspiring content on motivation and life-changing transformations.